Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to blend medium yellow white to again medium yellow. So I'm going to be using these colors from Vincent & Newton student range, and we will do this on acrylic sheet. You can use sheet or canvas, anything that works for you. Mine is A6 size acrylic sheet, which is basically acrylic paper, which is anything above 400 GSM. So the first step is to add the colors. I'm taking it directly from the tube. This is in real time, so you can follow how I do my brush strokes. So I add a little bit of yellow on the top, little at the bottom, and I'm going to add some white in the middle. So if you want more white in the center, that is after blending, then make sure at this step you add a little more blob other than these three. I've just added these three same size of blobs for my colors. So I'm using a flat brush, just wetting it a little, and just notice my strokes. They are going from left to right and making sure that I cover the paper with the yellow before I move on to the white. So I'm picking up some white from my brush. I'm just not doing anything different. I'm just going with the same style, and I'm going again left to right. Wherever you need a little water, just pick out a little water, and then I'm going to blend it down. So I could have left it at this point, but if I blend it a little more, the white in the center is going to become a little lighter, which is eventually what kind of happened, because at the top I blended a little more. I think I liked the little blob which was there on the right side, but nevertheless I think it's a nice easy tutorial or a blend for you to understand how to do it with two colors, but then you create like a nice ombre effect where it goes from color 1 to color 2 to again back to color 1. So I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you to understand how to do this simple blending technique. And if you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you soon for the next tutorial. Bye bye.